It's me, Trudy, and I owe you guys an apology, especially my Secret Santa. I had a technical fail, you guys. So, over the weekend, this past weekend, Johnny and I went up north camping to a beautiful place that we love to go. This was, it's in Sedona, and let me just show you. If you guys don't know, in Arizona we have a place called Sedona, and this place is beautiful. It's known for the red rocks, the beautiful scenery they have. Oak Creek, and that's where this campsite is located, right by Oak Creek. Anyways, I took everything to film there in the beautiful nature. I was going to bring you guys along, and I'm going to put some pictures in here at the end. If you'd like to see that, I will put that. Anyways, I took everything to film this unveiling of my second gift from my Secret Santa. And when I came home, ready to upload, because the internet's not that good over there to upload, so I brought it home. And I thought I videotaped. I don't know what happened, you guys. Either my battery was dead, it didn't videotape. You know when your battery is dead, it just turns off? That's what I'm thinking, and I never checked it. Yeah, so that's what happened. So I apologize. So Secret Santa, I already opened this. I love everything in here. I'm going to share with you guys what I received from my Secret Santa, but before I do that, let me just tell you, if you guys are new here and you're wondering what this is a Christmas in July swap 2024, and it's hosted by, or co-hosted by Carol at the Crinkled Path, Angela, the Traveling Crafter, Bianca at BB's Closet Creations, and Sarah at New England Junk Journals. And all the participants are going to be linked in the box, in my description box, for all the information. There's lots of people that joined in this swap. It's fun. We don't know who our Secret Santa is. We're all trying to figure it out. I have no clue, you guys. No clue to who my Secret Santa is. I've been on channels trying to figure out somebody's style. Nope, don't have a clue. And I sent mine to my recipient. I'm the Secret Santa for somebody. So this is just such a fun swap, you guys. I believe this is her second annual. Carol from the Crinkled Path started it, and I believe it's her second annual swap. Sorry, it's morning and I'm still drinking my coffee. And this year, so she could participate, some of the other ladies stepped in and helped go ahead and facilitate this. We have lots of ladies all over the country, and I believe there was some Canada participants. I'm not quite sure if that panned out, but we have Hazel at Hazel and Naka Designs, and Kathy at Kathy Company Paper Studio, I believe, in Canada, that were also participating. There's lots of great makers, you guys, so go check them out. So the second one is supposed to be, let's see, the second item, I'm reading my little notes here, you guys. So the second item is 3 handmade, okay, so the first items were 3 handmade tags. The second item, the second gift package, was 3 junk journals supply items we were supposed to send. And then next week, you guys, starting, I believe, let's see, starting the 26th, which I think that's next Friday, we reveal, in our third gift, we reveal who we are. We tell our recipient who their Secret Santa was. So that's the fun of it. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out, you guys. She did a beautiful job. So I received all my gifts in one package, so I had to be very mindful about, well, you know, just disciplined, I guess you could say. But she had this wrapped up really pretty, and it has a note here telling me when to open it, and I did. You guys, I wish yeah. At the end of this video, I'll show you where I was because it's beautiful, beautiful. So this is the package I received, and of course she sent more than just 3 items. So these are vintage buttons that are gold, and they're beautiful, you guys. And I always like to throw a splash of gold. I'm a believer, a splash of gold in every item just kind of pops and makes it look so awesome. This is a card she sent. It says, "Hi Trudy, happy Christmas in July. Enjoy the crafty supplies, your Secret Santa." Thank you, Secret Santa. And again, I apologize for not getting this out sooner. I know I'm still within the time frame, but I like to do things quickly and early. I don't like to be late to the party. All right. So this, she sent me 3 Christmas cards. These are fun because these always, I like to use these in my Christmas journal because they have the beautiful envelopes that have the picture, the matching picture. So I have 3 of those. And again, I've seen these, you guys. I want to make sure that I show you guys though. So you guys, normally I know what I'm doing, and I don't know what happened there. So anyways, I was like, why? Anyway, I have to plan better next time, but I did want to. So this is Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and it has a horse and a little, looks like maybe a little boy, can't really see, but it's a beautiful Christmas card. And then she sent me these, and these are really cool. I love these gingerbread people, gingerbread boys, gingerbread girls, and I love these. And I've been collecting things to make a gingerbread journal. I have not made one yet, but that is coming really soon. In fact, you guys, I'm just gonna throw it in right here. I am really close to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to be doing, after this swap is complete, which reminds me, once it's complete, we're all able to show because I am a Secret Santa to somebody, and we're able to show our processes for how we created whatever we made for our recipient after everybody has received their package, and everything's like the coast is clear. And so I do have those videos, and I will be uploading those after. But I also want to say that I have a couple announcements, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers, because I'm creeping up on that too, as well as Crinkled Past. She has an ongoing, I believe she's almost there, or she might be there, I'm not quite sure, but she's 1,000 subscribers as well. And this, you guys, is a beautiful, beautiful mint green, which I love mint green. In fact, guys, I'll be moving into my craft room. My granddaughter is going off to college, and I am going to be getting my craft room back while she moves all the way to Michigan. We're excited for her. I'm very, very proud of her. She's going to be an engineer, or she's going to be an orthodontist. She's going to engineer. She's going for engineering. Yeah. Anyways, this is beautiful. It's gathered. It looks vintage. I'm not quite sure. It might be, well, maybe not. I'm not sure, but it's very beautiful, and I'm sure to use that. Then she sent this, and I'm not seeing these, you guys. These are Christmas papers that are double-sided. They look like they're from Michael's. This one says "Say Freeze," and double-sided traditional colors with snowman. I think that's the theme here. Snowman, which I absolutely love. And these are gorgeous papers. I love this one. It's going to be a magical Christmas with the old vintage truck. Looks like there's 2 of each. I'm gonna love these, you guys. I'm just making tags with these that are already decorated. Maybe do a little collage, some trims, and you have your tags. I have not seen these, and I will definitely be going to Michael's to look for these, because these are awesome. These are, I don't know, let me see. They're about, well, 3.5 inches, you guys. By 8.5, 3.5 by 8.5. These are awesome. I love these. Thank you, Secret Santa. These are awesome. And then I got this book, you guys. Oh, by the way, this is, sorry, had an alarm on my phone, but I got this awesome bag, and I'll be sure to be using that too in my journals. The last thing I want to show you guys is this book. This is The Night Before Christmas. Let me just give you a little backstory on this. So when my kids were small, this is the exact same Night Before Christmas, same colors, everything that I used and I read to my children every Christmas when they were little. When they grew up, and they all are very close in age, so they all kind of left the nest around the same time. And when they grew up, my son called dibs on this book, and so now he has it and he reads it to his children. That book means the world to the kids, and now it's making its second round of memories. But I always was looking for this, and I never could find. I have not found this book. And then when I would think about looking for it, I would forget. But this is the exact same book. So I want to make a Christmas journal out of this one. And I want to put, because I actually have pictures of my kids where we're reading this book to them when they were little, year after year. And even their dad, reading to them with this book. And yeah, I think it'll be an awesome Christmas memory. And to have this is awesome. Thank you. This is actually, and guys, I don't remember where I got my other one. Yeah, renewed in 1976. This was original 1949. So one of the first, this is 1979, but this was one of the first original golden books that they made. So I love it. I don't remember where I got mine. It definitely wasn't new when I got it, but it's very old now. The one I have the kids is really worn around here. It's not ripped or anything, but it's very worn. Very loved. Anyways, you guys, I love this whole thing. This has been a fun experience. Thank you to our co-hosts that did all the legwork for all of this. It's going beautifully. I look forward to next year and doing this again. This has been a great experience. Next week we do our reveal. I believe that is on Friday, so make sure that you come back and check that out. And I have no clue. I just don't. I've gone to channels, and like I said, usually you can spot a person's style, but just haven't been able to do that. There is a challenge for those of you who do know who gave whose. If you guys are following in the description box of all the makers that are participating in this one, there's a challenge, and you can email Carol at the Crinkle Path, and I believe she's giving a $20 gift certificate for the winner, I believe. Should go to her channel. You guys go to all the channels because they're awesome makers. They got great things on there, especially most of them are junk journalers. A lot of them are collectors of junk journaling things, but we all, and who am I kidding? We all do that. But they're great women that are participating. You guys go check them out. And yeah, so have a wonderful rest of your week, and I hope to see you guys this weekend when we find out, actually this coming Friday, when we find out who my Secret Santa was or is. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.